Hey everybody, welcome to Friday. And we're on our last day of the week, and we are going to be talking about science today. So, our goal for today is to be creating an environment and a plant with certain characteristics that will be able to survive. So, all week you've been talking about we've been watching videos, we've been reading articles, looking at pictures about plants, and we've been looking at all of the different things that plants need to survive. We've been looking at vocabulary and all that good stuff. So today you're going to be drawing your own environment, whatever that environment will be. I'll give you some examples, and then you'll be drawing your own plant with the characteristics it needs to survive. So, what you're going to do is you're going to design your own plant in an environment. Okay, so how you're going to do that, you can draw it, and you're going to write or give a short description of your plant and how it survives in its given environment. So, some things you can draw, some environments you can draw. So, think about the environments and plants that we have learned about. Create a plant in an environment. Explain what your plant is and how will it survive. So, for example, a desert is a type of environment. It's a type of place that plants live. Okay. If you want to draw a desert, that can be a good example of your environment. And you would have to label that and show that. And then you would put your plants, your different types of plants in the desert. So notice how it's more than one plant. You're not just talking about flowers or cacti or anything like that. So that's one place you can draw. Another environment you can draw is a rainforest. Okay, a rainforest is another type of environment with plants. And there's all kinds of different plants in the rainforest. Some things to think about when you're making your environment. Plants must have all plant parts in some form. So, for example, if you would like to draw a flower, you need to have the roots, you need to have the stem, the leaves, the flower. Okay. It should have all of the different parts. So, you have to be descriptive, you have to be creative here. Draw in color, be creative and neat. Okay, so it's not just something that you're going to whip up in 5 minutes. Like, be creative with this, okay, because you're getting points. Design an environment that the plant lives in. So you should be drawing your desert. You should be labeling your rainforest if you want to do a jungle, if you want to do a grassland or the Arctic. Different types of environments here. Name your plant. So think of a cool name for your plant. Explain how it survives and important structures that help it survive. So, give me a couple of sentences about how it survives. Put a couple of bullet points. My plant survives by water or sunlight or nutrients, food. Okay. Um, it survives because it's on a hill. Things like that. You got to tell me a little bit about it. Okay, and then look at this example. This is an example here of an environment. It looks like it's in some sort of rainforest, grassy area. And then there's a plant here. Okay, there was a plant drawn. It looked like a flower. And look, it's labeled. So, labeled snake looking stem. Looks like a snake. Leaves with holes so bugs won't eat it. Okay, very descriptive. And then colorful petals. So using what you learned this week in science, kind of create something like this. Create something that looks like this. Drawing your environment and drawing a plant that can survive in this environment, and label it with some details. And that'll be it. You made it to Friday. Great job, everyone, with all of your hard work. And I look forward to seeing all of your pictures today. You can either upload it to Google Classroom, take a picture, upload it to GC, or text me via Class Dojo, or you can always send me a message on my phone. Okay? Okay. and we'll talk to you later.